This is my DIY 4 days and 3 nights Ho Chi Minh itinerary, day 3. This is Shang and tara, travel with me. Our hotel is just located in District 1, kaya naman napakadali para sa amin ang maghanap ng mga highly recommended restaurants here in Ho Chi Minh. On our way to our breakfast just within the District 1, makikita nga itong Benthan Market na napakasulit for pasalubong. Every evening before we go to our hotel, dumadaan kami dito para bumili ng mga pasalubong. We went inside Maison Maru dahil napaka-tempting ng kanilang mga chocolates here. Jah! Kodyo yarn! They offer variants of chocolates that is perfect also for pasalubong. I highly recommend you to try their chocolate coconut mooncake here, napakasarap. So here's our target place for breakfast, ang Bet May Inn, dahil napakasikat rin ito sa TikTok. Mas na-excite ako nang makita kong napakaraming tao sa loob because every traveler knows that pag maraming tao sa isang restaurant, that restaurant offers good food. We ordered one of their must-try, the beef skewers, and of course, hindi mawawala yung bunsha. And guys, look at that! I also ordered the salted lemon juice and napakasarap din ito. After breakfast, we headed to Tan Dinh Catholic Church and had our coconut coffee sa napakasikat na Kong Cafe. We specifically chose the Kong Cafe for us to enjoy the view of the church. We went straight to the War Remnants Museum, and this is the highlight of today's activity. I've read a lot about the Vietnam War, and this museum reminds us that peace really matters. After our tour here in the museum, we went straight to the cafe apartment. At syempre, hindi namin panalagpas ang Arabica coffee, and of course, we enjoyed our afternoon coffee here as much as we enjoyed the view outside. Tingnan mo naman. Pakape-kape ka lang tapos ganyan ang view mo. And after here, we went directly to Bitesco Financial Tower at dito namili-mili na rin kami. During our visit, may 70% clearance sale on selected branded items kaya namili-mili talaga ako for pasalubong. We ended our day here at Azon Tattoo and Piercing Studio and talaga namang highly recommended ang place na to. So that's all for our day 3 here in Ho Chi Minh, and check out for our day 4 in my next video.